really one of the ways you can mend your heart and heal your heart, there's inner ways to do it, and there's outer ways to do it. And many of the things are taking action that you can start do to open your heart right away. It doesn't necessarily mean getting in another relationship, although it could, but it could mean that you adopt a dog or a cat. And somebody was saying that if you do a meditation, you put like a little kitty or a dog on your heart. This is totally heart healing. You can just see, even when you watch on social media, when you watch little animal videos, very healing for the heart. But actually taking on and giving that sort of committed love. If you're not ready to commit in love to a person right now, to a woman, you can commit to, I'm going to love this pet. You can call your family and try to make some amends there. You can support a friend who's having a hard time. You can show up and give some money to charity. There's, I like to give money to the LA Food Bank or whatever moves you. I have several charities, or you can volunteer some time. These are all things that open the heart center. And while even if we're heartbroken from a relationship, we can still be developing ourselves as lovers, because it's all the same love. We think, what does that have to do with romantic love? It's all the same love. The more you open your own heart and expand it and are capable of loving more people, the closer you are to finding the love of your dreams. It's the same love. It doesn't seem like it, but it is the same love. If our hearts are little and we're like, I can only love one person romantically, you're going to get a very troubled relationship that's probably not going to work out because it's too small. It's too small. It's fraught with an ending already. So that way you create a life where you're living in love. And that way you're living in love all the time. You're not waiting for another person to be in love. You're building a world for yourself where you live in love.